Hi everybody, it's Artist King. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a piece here and I'm not really sure how to describe it. I am reusing a canvas that I did months ago where I did an acrylic pour on it, and I just thought I could use this to do something a little bit different. So on this one, I'm going to be using masking tape, as you can see. Masking tape, acrylic paint. I'm going to use some ink with some stencils and just random things and some a magazine image. I'm also using that. So it's like a hodgepodge of a lot of different things, mixed media. It's all, I would say it's mixed media because it's all different kinds of mediums that I'm using. So sit back and relax, enjoy the music, and hopefully, like I always tell you, I hope that you will try to do one of these pieces, because my whole aim is to get people to pick up a brush, canvas, some masking tape, some paint, whatever it is, magazines, cut up some magazines and stuff, whatever you have to do to begin creating. That is the goal of this channel, to inspire you to start doing some of these things for yourself. Okay? So I want to remind you, I post every Tuesday and every Saturday. And I really would be happy if you subscribe, if you turn on your notification button, if you share my videos, if you like my videos. All of this stuff will really make me happy. So I'm saying in advance, thank you for watching. I'm not going to come back down to the end because I want you to listen. I want you to look at what I'm doing and not really listen to what I'm saying. I don't know if that makes, I guess that makes sense to everybody. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on my next video. And I really hope you enjoy this one, because it's just, like I said, a little bit of everything I've done in this one. So, okay? So I hope you like it, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, bye.